Guess the capital. Welcome to the Guess the Capital game. Get ready to test your geography knowledge. Let's go. Instructions to play. We will give you questions about American states and capital cities. Choose the correct answer from the 4 choices given. Whoever answers the most correctly wins. Which is the capital of Montana? Option A, Phoenix. Option B, Springfield. Option C, Austin. Option D, Helena. Guess. Which is the capital of Montana? The correct answer is option D, Helena. Which is the capital of Nebraska? Option A, PA. Option B, Richmond. Option C, Lincoln. Option D, Concord. Guess. Which is the capital of Nebraska? The correct answer is option C, Lincoln. Which is the capital of Nevada? Option A, Carson City. Option B, Hartford. Option C, Boise. Option D, Albany. Guess. Which is the capital of Nevada? The correct answer is option A, Carson City. Which is the capital of New Hampshire? Option A, Raleigh. Option B, Concord. Option C, Boston. Option D, Columbia. Guess. Which is the capital of New Hampshire? The correct answer is option B, Concord. Which is the capital of New Jersey? Option A, Olympia. Option B, Cheyenne. Option C, Trenton. Option D, Nashville. Guess. Which is the capital of New Jersey? The correct answer is option C, Trenton. Which is the capital of New Mexico? Option A, Santa Fe. Option B, Augusta. Option C, Harrisburg. Option D, Des Moines. Guess. Which is the capital of New Mexico? The correct answer is option A, Santa Fe. Which is the capital of New York? Option A, Albany. Option B, Jefferson City. Option C, Frankfurt. Option D, Montpelier. Guess. Which is the capital of New York? The correct answer is option O, Albany. Which is the capital of North Carolina? Option A, Bismarck. Option B, Providence. Option C, Raleigh. Option D, Columbus. Guess. Which is the capital of North Carolina? The correct answer is option C, Raleigh. Which is the capital of North Dakota? Option A, Atlanta. Option B, Bismarck. Option C, Oklahoma City. Option D, Denver. Guess. Which is the capital of North Dakota? The correct answer is option B, Bismarck. Which is the capital of Ohio? Option A, Columbus. Option B, Salem. Option C, Springfield. Option D, Austin. Guess. Which is the capital of Ohio? The correct answer is option A, Columbus. Which is the capital of Oklahoma? Option A, Nashville. Option B, Richmond. Option C, Santa Fe. Option D, Oklahoma City. Guess. Which is the capital of Oklahoma? The correct answer is option D, Oklahoma City. Which is the capital of Oregon? Option A, Boston. Option B, Hartford. Option C, Salem. Option D, Dover. Guess. Which is the capital of Oregon? The correct answer is option C, Salem. Which is the capital of Pennsylvania? Option A, PA. Option B, Harrisburg. Option C, Montpelier. Option D, Columbia. Guess. Which is the capital of Pennsylvania? The correct answer is option B, Harrisburg. Which is the capital of Rhode Island? Option A, Providence. Option B, Lansing. Option C, Raleigh. Option D, Denver. Guess. Which is the capital of Rhode Island? The correct answer is option A, Providence. Which is the capital of South Carolina? Option A, Boise. Option B, Annapolis. Option C, Columbia. Option D, Trenton. Guess. Which is the capital of South Carolina? The correct answer is option C, Columbia. Which is the capital of South Dakota? Option A, PA. Option B, Springfield. Option C, Albany. Option D, Austin. Guess. Which is the capital of South Dakota? The correct answer is option A, PA. Which is the capital of Tennessee? Option A, Little Rock. Option B, Salem. Option C, Nashville. Option D, Concord. Guess. Which is the capital of Tennessee? The correct answer is option C, Nashville. Which is the capital of Texas? Option A, Austin. Option B, Olympia. Option C, Hartford. Option D, Columbus. Guess. Which is the capital of Texas? The correct answer is option O, Austin. Which is the capital of Utah? Option A, Santa Fe. Option B, Salt Lake City. Option C, Lansing. Option D, Harrisburg. Guess. Which is the capital of Utah? The correct answer is option B, Salt Lake City. Which is the capital of Vermont? Option A, Montpelier. Option B, Boston. Option C, Jefferson City. Option D, Charleston. Guess. Which is the capital of Vermont? The correct answer is option A, Montpelier. Which is the capital of Virginia? Option A, Albany. Option B, Richmond. Option C, Boise. Option D, Bismarck. Guess. Which is the capital of Virginia? The correct answer is option B, Richmond. Which is the capital of Washington? Option A, Olympia. Option B, Providence. Option C, Des Moines. Option D, Springfield. Guess. Which is the capital of Washington? The correct answer is option Olympia. Which is the capital of West Virginia? Option A, Salem. Option B, Austin. Option C, Charleston. Option D, Helena. Guess. Which is the capital of West Virginia? The correct answer is option C, Charleston. Which is the capital of Wisconsin? Option A, Montgomery. Option B, Columbia. Option C, Augusta. Option D, Madison. Guess. Which is the capital of Wisconsin? The correct answer is option D, Madison. Which is the capital of Wyoming? Option A, PA. Option B, Cheyenne. Option C, Albany. Option D, Nashville. Guess. Which is the capital of Wyoming? The correct answer is option B, Cheyenne. Who got the most answers right? Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for playing Guess the Capital City. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.